Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you all the best to this end of the year and the beginning of the new year. If you want all the best for yourself, and if you want to listen, you would make yourself a big favor. Being healthier and having a better life means to start cleaning. Now, a lot of you understood. Cleaning is not only about cleaning, but it's also metaphorically cleaning. First of all, start cleaning your house. Start cleaning your car. Start cleaning your workspace. Start cleaning everything physically that is around you, your yard. Then you will have a bit more relaxed life because you won't feel the pressure of everything unimportant in your house and your surrounding and your car. Second of all, start cleaning the people from your life. As probably some of you would say is not good, but yes, it's good, because people, even if they are friends, even if they are family, some of them are the same as rotten fruit on the ground. You don't need them anymore. So think good before you say, no, people should stay in my life. Some so-called friends are in your life making you think that they are important for you, but they will take advantage of you. Some of you, your friends, don't care about you, and you have to run for them, for their friendship. Try to put them apart. So, hypocrite people, and people that they don't want you in their life will never be your friends. And people who take advantage of you, put them away. You don't have to have, there is not a must to have 5, 10, 100 friends. If you have one, maximum 3, you are very lucky if they are really your friends. Your family. I have done my best to keep my family close to me. My relatives, cousins, everybody who is in my family. I try to keep them close to me. They took advantage of me, thinking that they can have some benefits. And I said, okay, leave them. They're my family. I'm close to them. I love them. But the same as they are looking for their own interest in life, you should do the same. You don't have to be that stupid who is taking care, who's trying to keep a good relationship. No. Mind your own life. This way you will have a minus of stress. Keep it in mind.